a slip knot and just place it kind of out of the way for now. We will be using the modified figure 8 stitch, which all that means is instead of wrapping one peg, we'll be wrapping two. Let me show you. So you can go to this back side and you wrap around two, and you come to the front and you wrap. See how it's a figure 8, but we are wrapping two pegs instead of one. Alright, right here is that knot from that cast on. I'm going to go ahead and pop that off. You just watch that strand. You don't want it to come undone. So it's down there. To help pick these stitches up later to create a nice cast on edge, I'm using a piece of scrap yarn. It doesn't matter what type of yarn, what color yarn. You just want something that is going to contrast so that it will stand out. There we go. See, we are right here, so we're going back to our first. I'm starting with the very last one I wrapped, which is this peg right here. Here's my working yarn. I'm taking that bottom stitch over that top one, and I can let go of that, and then I can work on the rest. Now right here is where I cast on. So these right here, this one and this one, are going to be super, super loose. Every peg should only have one stitch on it now. We can push all these down. This point, you keep wrapping the exact same way. What we're going to do is we're going to take the loops from this inside loom, place them on the outside loom, then take the bottom loop over the top. Here's a loop from the inside loom, place on the outside, bottom loop over the top. Now that each peg on the outside just has one loop on it, All we need to do is we'll cut our working yarn. You want it to be about around the loom about 2 times. Take your loom tool, pull the working yarn through the loop on the peg, and go behind. This is a flat top cast off. If it helps, you can actually pop the stitches off as soon as you have them on. To cut down on the bulk at the top of the hat, we do every other one, and then the second time around we'll pick up what's left. Now that it's off the loom, the only thing left is to tighten this up, but since there's 2 rounds, you need to hold it. You want to make sure the inside string and the outside string both tighten up. So what I do is when I get it to where I think it's almost all the way tightened up, I will pull the string to the inside to finish it. And you want to pull it tight, but not so tight that you break the string. Here's what I love about the flat top cast off. You don't have a big knot there from bringing all of your yarn together in one spot. Now we just have this cast on edge to finish up. We have to crochet the cast on edge. So you want to start where the string is, and we're going to be taking the stitches, the strings above the blue, let's separate it out. Let's see, there's 2 right here. And take that second one, put it through the first one. We have that one. Take it through. Here's one. I'm going to go all the way around, picking up those stitches. Now that we're back towards the beginning, see, a couple of those fell out, but that is okay. You can see those and pick them up. We get all the way back, and go ahead and pick that one up too. Now that we're back to beginning, I take that tail and pull it through, and then I'm just going to weave that in. But look at this. There we go.